YouTube? We're on the third plate. What's up, YouTube? My name is Will Setatal. I'm the owner of Willard's Windows. We do pressure washing, soft washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, etc. Anyways, today we're doing a house wash and some windows. This is actually one of my wife's boss's house. She has two bosses. I just did his house yesterday and the day before. Took 2 days on that one, and then today we have this one. I let my tank fill up. I got my hoses ran already. But I'll give y'all some of the dirty stuff to see, so for some good before and afters. But not too long, not too bad of a day today. The weather feels phenomenal. It's just a little bit windy, so I got to be careful on that overspray. So I'm make sure to wet everything down before, during, and after, just to play it safe. I have one camera battery, so it should last me the whole time. Really, the windows are pretty rough on some of the places, and then there's a couple spots that I'll show y'all in just a second on the hardy board that's like got algae and growth on it, and then some like dirt dauber nests and webs. So let me show y'all some of that. I'm not sure if you can see it too well on the camera. Maybe you can, but all this right here, all that algae. This house has also got some oxidation on it. I took some pictures of before and afters just to play it safe behind my rear end, but it's got some oxidation on it. But I'm not here to do an oxidation removal, so that's all right. But anyways, under this window, this is the side he's wanting particularly like pristine because I think it's the dirtiest side of the house, but there's a lot of growth here and just dirt and nasty. And then over there by those windows as well. Then up top he's got some nests. I should be able to touch those if this wind doesn't interfere. And then just under all this right here, he's got all that. Whew, it's windy. We just finished up this one side right here. It's just drying, but as you can see, all that green buildup that was under here has been removed thanks to sodium hypochlorite. The wind out here is awful. I'm gonna just put it in a pump up sprayer and do the rest of the house that I can reach in a pump up. I feel like there's just so much off spray going that way, so I keep on wetting down the air, just letting it carry it like it's carrying the chemical. But everything else I should be able to reach the pump up, so it's gonna take a little longer, I think, but I'd rather be a little bit safer. But it's not looking too bad. The windows are starting to clean up good. I got as much as this stuff off as I could. I'm gonna have to hit that one more time with just water. But everything on this side of the house is looking great. I'm just going through right now and neutralizing all the SH on the ground with my gun. And it's not too shabby. All right, guys, we just finished up the soft wash at the house. The wind ended up dying down, but I still took a pump up just to play it safe. And I was working under like some carport and stuff, and it was just easy with the pump sprayer, no big deal. Let me give y'all a after of this green that was under the windows when we first started. As you can see, all that green has been gone, so not too shabby. And then up under here, all that net. Oh, whoa! I done made a puddle. But look, all that up there looks real good. Pretty proud of that one. But anyways, I'm about to go take care of the windows now. Get suited up and hit the road going, I reckon. From your average pressure washing guy to your average window washing guy. I hope that looks a lot cooler whenever I edit it, because that felt really lame. both of the owners came home. It was the Zara's boss and his wife, and they walked around, checked it out, and they were very happy with how it turned out, which made me feel good. He said, man, it looks great. He said, I know you're gonna be in Starkville in a couple months, but about once a year, we're gonna want you to come out and do all 3 of these properties again. He said, probably get me to come out about once a year to do the properties, once every year. The office building and both of their homes, which I was pretty stoked to hear. Of course, I was like, yes, that sounds great, thank you. But in my heart, I was like, if that makes sense. And then now I'm just cleaning up. It's a beautiful view out here. Like, this home is a nice one. Like, it's a big, it's just nice. It's probably gonna take me 10 minutes to get packed up. Zara's getting her nails done right now, so I'll beat her home. But thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Actually, if you don't want to, still do it, because I have to have 1,000 subs and a lot of watch hours and blah, 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 blah. I'm trying to get paid is what I'm trying to do, okay? Y'all help a young entrepreneur out, please. Thank you. Anyways, getting it put up. Thank y'all for watching again. Like and subscribe, please. And share it if you want to. But we're out of here. Thank y'all.